Hi my friends and everybody. Welcome to GMK World channel. Today's, we will show you new Gundam plastic models as release on June 2024. Gunpla lineup June 2024. HGCE 1/144th, Infinite Justice Gundam Type 2, price 3,080 yen, tax included. MG1100, Sinanju Stein, narrative, Ver.Ka. Price 8,800 yen, tax included. SD Gundam Cross Silhouette, Gundam Calibarn. Price 1,900 yen, tax included. Finally, this is Gunpla lineup June 2024, release info by bandai-hobby.net. For more information, go to https://bandai-hobby.net/schedule/202406. Thanks for watching. For news and more information about Gundam plastic models kits, please subscribe our GMK World channel.